In the mystical realm of online income, there are 7 enchanting methods to conjure cash in 2025, all without uttering a single word to another soul. Let's dive into these magical avenues. First, consider selling digital downloads on Etsy. Picture this: you create stunning artwork, planners, or educational resources and list them in your shop. With a sprinkle of SEO magic, your creations can attract buyers from around the globe. Once uploaded, these digital treasures sell while you sleep, generating passive income effortlessly. Next, let's explore the world of faceless YouTube channels. With the power of AI, you can generate engaging content without ever showing your face. Use tools to create scripts, voiceovers, and visuals. Topics can range from tutorials to reviews, and with the right niche, your channel can flourish, bringing in ad revenue and sponsorships without the need for personal interaction. Now, let's talk about ghostwriting with ChatGPT. This powerful AI can assist you in crafting articles, blog posts, or even ebooks. You simply provide the topic and it weaves the words together. Once polished, you can sell your writing services to busy entrepreneurs or bloggers looking for quality content. It's a seamless way to earn while remaining behind the curtain. Another method is selling AI-generated art. With platforms that allow you to create unique pieces using AI tools, you can turn your artistic visions into sellable products. Whether it's prints, merchandise, or digital files, the demand for unique art is ever growing. Just upload your creations to marketplaces and watch as buyers are drawn to your magical designs. Creating and selling Notion templates is another lucrative venture. Notion has become a favorite among productivity enthusiasts, and by designing templates for project management, note-taking, or personal organization, you can tap into a thriving market. Once your templates are ready, list them on your website or platforms like Gumroad, and let the sales roll in. Testing mobile games is an exciting way to earn money while indulging in your passion for gaming. Companies are always on the lookout for feedback on their games. By signing up for testing platforms, you can play new games, provide valuable insights, and get paid for your time. It's a win-win for both you and the developers. Finally, affiliate marketing offers a magical opportunity to earn commissions by promoting products or services. By creating a blog or a niche website, you can share your recommendations and include affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. With the right strategy, this can become a substantial source of income, all while you remain behind the scenes. These 7 methods are your keys to unlocking the treasure chest of online income in 2025. Embrace the magic of the digital world and let your creativity and skills lead you to financial freedom, all without the need for face-to-face interaction. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is yours to embark upon.